bus go ooh ooh ah, ooh ooh ah, ooh ooh ah. The monkeys on the bus go ooh ooh ah, all through the town. The elephants on the bus go stomp, 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 stomp. The elephants on the bus go stomp, 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 all through the town. The frogs on the bus go ribbit, 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 ribbit. The frogs on the bus go ribbit, 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 all through the town. The horses on the bus go meh, 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 neigh, 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 neigh. The horses on the bus go neigh, 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 all through the town. The ducks on the bus go quack, 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 quack. The ducks on the bus go quack, 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 all through the town. The cats on the bus go meow, 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 meow. The cats on the bus go meow, 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 all through the town. The frogs on the bus go ribbit, 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 ribbit. The frogs on the bus go ribbit, 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 all through the town. The dogs on the bus go hiss, 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 hiss. The snakes on the bus go hiss, 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 all through the town. The snakes on the bus go. Down on the farm where the green grass grows lives a big brown cow with a bumpy nose. She gives us milk both day and night and moos so loud with all her might. A pig in the muddy pen with a happy grin lives a jolly pink pig who loves to spin. She rolls in the mud with a cheerful oink and snorts so loud you'd almost blink. Cluck, cluck, cluck goes the hen so proud, pecking at the corn and clucking loud. She lays her eggs in a little nest, then fluffs her wings and takes a rest. Ba, ba, ba on the grassy hill lives a woolly sheep that's never still. She munches on clover all day long and sings her ba in a woolly song. Gallop, gallop goes the tall, strong horse, trotting through fields on his daily course. With a neigh and a toss of his silky mane, he loves to run in the sun or rain. The duck quack, quack in the shiny pond lives a waddling duck who's very fond of splashing water and diving low, then flapping her wings in a feathery show.